Hi, I'm Kirsty. I'm 45 years old, a single mother of a little girl who's 20 months old, and I will be hosting a retreat in Cornwall on the 26th of April, where I'll be leading on lovely all-inclusive workshops like rockpool photography, relaxing, rejuvenating yoga, flow, a couple of meditation sessions, walking, sharing ideas, like re-establishing your values after birth and gaining your integrity and your true self back after having a baby. So I thought I would share with you that I'm excited to incorporate what I learned from my 0 to 3-year-old AMI Montessori training. So I'll be talking about that too, subjects including how to weave in positive redirection, the idea of freedom within limits, grace and courtesy, and other aspects of the educational approach that everyone knows as Montessori. Really excited about this because I haven't done anything for a few years with regards to hosting, so I look forward to seeing you. Bye.